He's got a fish, and we're in like currents. Yeah. I'm surprised that fish has stayed on there that whole time.
I know. All right, lift his head up.
Yay! Oh, he's nice. He's pretty. I got video. It's a what fish?
Whitefish.
Oh, he's pretty. You can keep them.
They're really bony.
They're bony. Pretty. I got him.